So, it's a girl brush wavy. Medea, I'm not crazy. It's a girl brush wavy. Call me crazy. Before I start this video, let me just say thank you guys so much for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. Yes, Wave Gang, we are there. Wait, I don't know how to do it. Wait. Yeah, we never come up with a W. How you do W? I'm asking. I don't know. We never come up with something though. You know the way they like Wave Gang something. But thank you guys so much for getting me to 1K subscribers. I love you guys so much. This don't really have nothing to do with the video, but look at my person. Guys, I did this one the other day. It's so cute. I know, right? Anyways, let's go into the video. Alright. Welcome back to my channel. You know it's a girl rush. I know I haven't posted a video in like 2 weeks, but please, I'm so sorry. I have exams and I'm not gonna lie. Thing is, I've been sleeping a lot since lately. I don't know why, but I keep falling asleep. So but at least I'm doing this video. Many of you guys are always asking me on Instagram, how is it that I got to 1,000 subscribers so fast? Alright, so I'm gonna just tell you now what me think helped me get to 1,000 subscribers fast. First thing, you have to know what you want. Some persons, when they come on YouTube, they don't know exactly what they want to do. So then just come on it and just say, oh my god, the YouTube, and think I saw it go. And I saw it go because you come on YouTube, you might produce one good content today and then your mind go blank. So before doing so, you have to plan up and see exactly what is it that you want to do, what is it that your channel is going to be about. I think it's very important if you guys make a goal. So normally every month, and I hear my dog them. So far I've been on YouTube for like 3 months, 3 months. Yeah, I've been on YouTube for like 3 months. What I used to do is every month I used to write down a goal that I want to reach. So in February I wanted to reach 500 subscribers, and in February I didn't reach 500 subscribers. I got to maybe about 300 thereabout. It wasn't a lot. I mean, it was a lot, but it wasn't 1K like what I wanted. Alright, when you set a goal, you work to achieve that goal. So you say that by the end of this week you want to get 100 subscribers, then do a video and try your best to promote your video. Promotion is very important. Anything that you're doing, you need to promote it properly, and once you promote it properly, then I think it's going to get the message out there or whatever. You understand? What I use to promote my videos are Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. Mostly those things, because social media is trending. Who isn't on social media? So you use those platforms to push your videos. So for example, when I do this video and I post it, I'm going to post a clip of this video on Instagram, and that will show my fans or my subscribers or new subscribers or persons who, you know, not about me on Instagram that, oh, she just do a video on how to do this and really want to see this. You take the most interesting part of your video and you post it. Alright, and when you do that, you put your link in it, you know, you give a little description, you put it all over. No matter how much time you want to post it 5 times, 10 times, 2 times, it don't matter. Just put your content out there. You can also go to the extra mile. I went to the extra mile to create t-shirts and cards and stuff like that for my channel for persons to subscribe. So that is extra, but that is me. So I did that for person, and I walked in the town, I walk towns, and I give them out. I tell persons to subscribe. I do all of them stuff there because I want people to subscribe to my channel. It's very important. I believe that you guys need to produce good content. Once you're producing great content, then people automatically will start watching videos them. So you need to find what interests you and what interests your audience. So let's say that your channel is about hair. I mean 4C hair to be specific. A lot of persons are looking for tutorials on how to do their hair. However, is that particular hair type or hair tutorial going to be helpful to the wider audience? I mean, you have to like think about the audience that you're going to produce your content to. So let's say that because I'm in Jamaica, most of us in Jamaica have 4C here. Majority of us in Jamaica have 4C here. Most of my hair tutorials are on my own hair, which is 4C hair, and I think my videos are good content. Like a little bit, just a little bit, a little tad bit, because I think that I appeal to persons with 4C hair. So, and I get that, and I know that it's good content based on your views. When you post a video, ensure that you look on your views. So you see your views are going to tell you whether or not it was a good video. So it's when you have a video reaching 11k, 1k, 900 views, you're saying that's a good video. 500 views, that's a good video. That's an excellent video. It's getting views. But you want to watch the duration of how long those persons watch those videos. So if they watch your videos and they don't watch it for a particular amount of time, then you're saying like, was it that they lost interest or was it just not good enough? You might have the views, but it's the duration of how long they watch that video. The next important thing is to always be you. On your channel, it is your channel. Do not allow anybody to make you become somebody different on any platform. Whatever platform you are on, ensure that you are always you. This is me. I don't always speak standard English. I love patois. Me love like me just act like me. Me not gonna pretend to be somebody else on social media, because I think persons like it when you're very realistic. When you're down to earth, persons gravitate more to you than when you're gonna be like, and oh my god, so guys, I got like 1,000 subscribers and I really didn't do anything for it. Yeah, so thank you. Come on, really? A yardie I live in? Yardie I come from. Alright, but for persons who are not from Jamaica, I mean, you can always be you. Speak the way that you normally speak, behave the way you always behave. Don't try to be somebody who you are not. You have to believe in yourself. If you're not believing in yourself, it just kill everything. Like you just done. It never makes sense to even start this. Believe so you can reach 1,000 subscribers within a certain amount of time. Believe so you can get the 4,000 watch hour. And are you that your star? You guys need to post constantly post on your channel. I would encourage persons to post videos on the weekends, like Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Those time persons aren't so busy, and I am so sorry for the noises in my background. Yeah, so as I was saying, you guys need to post constantly. I would encourage persons to post on the weekends, so like Friday, Saturday and Sunday, because those times persons are not at work, or they come home from school, they have more time to go on YouTube, watch videos and do stuff. However, I for one, I just post whenever I feel like, and I promote my videos, so it really don't matter. I just post at any given time. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it really don't matter. I think something major is that you are very unique with your content. What I've realized from I started YouTube was that I have this one video on my channel where I did a public interview at school, and from I did that video, a lot of persons, I guess I influenced a lot of persons at school to do YouTube. So a lot of students at my school now are trying to do these type of videos, and I'm not going to discourage anybody and say don't do it. However, when starting a YouTube channel, make sure that you have good camera quality. The quality of your content is extremely important. Nobody is going to sit down and watch something that is not filmed and edit properly. So it's like you see when you don't edit your video good and you don't make them like the camera quality itself is not good. It's like we watch black and white TV. Whole time we strong as I wonder like what like what's going on, you understand? And nothing is wrong with vlogging or videoing with your phone. I'm currently using my phone and I don't think it's bad. I don't think it's that bad. I have an iPhone 7 currently and I don't think the camera quality is that bad. So if you're using your phone, nothing is wrong. Don't stress yourself and go out there and try to buy $1,000 US camera, or you know, one of them big old expensive stuff. So you don't need that. Right now, to video my videos, right now I use a selfie stick and my phone, to be very honest. Nothing else. Just try and see what works for you. Like I said, always be unique with your content and what you do. So I think what makes me unique, I would say, is the fact that I'm Jamaican and my hair, these coils, girl, okay. And I just think my personality overall makes me unique. So my videos automatically will just look different. Yeah, you understand? Also, research everything and anything. When I started YouTube, before I started YouTube, I used to watch a lot of YouTubers. I used to watch how to start a YouTube channel, how to make money off YouTube, how to get 1,000 subscribers, how to do my hair, how to do this, how to do some DIYs. I used to watch every type of video because I wanted help. It's because you're new and you don't, even I right now, I'm still new. I don't know a lot of stuff about YouTube. I'm just telling you guys what I did. You know, you need to just research, just look on how other persons do their stuff. To even do my intros for YouTube, I had to go on YouTube to look how to do intros and try to do mine. I had to look how to edit videos. I had to look for apps to use to edit my videos. It's a learning process. So once you get on this road, you're going to just learn automatically. So just continue to do your research on YouTube, for YouTube, and you'll get far. Alright, thank you guys for always supporting me. I really appreciate it. Now we're at like 1.9 something. Yeah, goodie. Yes, reach for mine. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I hope this one helped you guys a lot. Please feel free to DM me on Instagram. My Instagram name is going to be right here. It's wavy_girl2, and on Facebook it's going to be right here at Rochelle, or you can just email me at rochellepinock@live.com. Mwah. Love you guys. Wave gang forever. See me? I'm a girl, and go on, big up yourself. Mwah.